Hello everyone, today we'll be unboxing the ZOTAC Gaming GeForce RTX 3050 with 8GB of GDDR6, Ice Storm 2.0, Freeze Tech, DLSS 2.0, Ray Tracing, and NVIDIA's Ampere Arch. I think this is an excellent deal for its price point. As you can see, this is actually the twin edge model, and let's get into it. So going to the side of the box, we can see that it says the twin edge logo or ZOTAC and the GeForce RTX 3050. So when we go to the back of the box, we can see that this GPU actually has a backplate come with it, the GeForce RTX lifted game, and we can see that it has its Ice Storm 2.0, which is its advanced GPU cooling, freeze, so the fan stops when the GPU is idle, and the Firestorm, so it GPU tunes and monitors with intelligence. We can also go next to it, and we can see that, zooming in, we have NVIDIA's Ampere architecture with the new streaming processors, new ray tracing cores, tensor cores, game-ready drivers, and yeah, I think I'd recommend this card for its price point, especially if you can get to near MSRP. And if you can see all the features again, we have DLSS, G-Sync, and yeah, it supports up to a lot of hertz refresh rate, like the 4K 120 hertz and 8K 60 hertz. So let's get into it. So I actually kind of opened it already because I didn't have scissors on me. Let me get careful here. So let's open it. There we go. I've been looking at this card for a while, especially more than the other 30 series cards, because this is kind of like the baseline version of the card. So if you can see that, we actually have the ZOTAC logo, ZOTAC Gaming, and we have this. Yeah, there we go. Let me get a closer shot of that. The Get Amplified DVD. I don't know why people still give on. I don't think this is a DVD. Let me check that out. Yeah, Get Amplified bag. So we can see it says share it to get featured. Okay. Extended warranty. I think let's have that online. Oh, we have some cool ZOTAC gaming stickers. It's pretty interesting. Quick installation guide. And make sure you have the most available drivers. Yeah, I already know that. Let's put that back in the box. Alright, so the box. We have the actual GPU. Hopefully it fits in my case. For that side. Let's see if I have anything else inside the box. Okay, that's it. That's pretty good. So let's get into opening. Gotta be very careful here. It's pretty nice for a ZOTAC card. There we have it. Looks better in person than I saw on video. And yeah. We can see that it has a PCI Power Express port connector needed. This is the backplate for you guys to see it. And yeah, it's live to game. And yeah. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Just let me know if you want any videos more on the 3050. And yeah, Josh is out.